Hello and welcome, fellow gardening enthusiasts. We're so glad you're joining us on this exciting journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating art of growing heirloom vegetables. These aren't your average supermarket finds. We're talking about varieties with rich histories and unique flavors. Specifically, we'll be focusing on how to cultivate these treasures in the Great North, where the challenges are unique, but the rewards are incredibly satisfying. Gardening here means navigating short seasons, where every day counts and planning is key. And let's not forget the unpredictable weather. From late frosts to sudden heat waves, we've seen it all. But despite these hurdles, the rewards of a successful northern garden are absolutely worth it. There's nothing quite like the taste of a homegrown heirloom tomato. We'll break down the basics, providing you with the essential knowledge to get started. Starting with choosing the right seeds, understanding which varieties thrive in cooler climates and shorter growing seasons. And of course, prepping your soil for success, because healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Gardening is a conversation with the land, a constant exchange of care and observation. Sometimes a tough one up north, demanding extra attention and resilience from both you and your plants. But it's always rewarding, offering a sense of accomplishment and connection to nature that's hard to beat. All you need is patience, a keen sense of curiosity to learn from your successes and failures, and a willingness to get your hands dirty, because gardening is a hands-on experience. We'll explore how to pick seeds with history, understanding their unique characteristics and growing requirements, and give them the best start possible, ensuring they have the nutrients and support they need to flourish. Ultimately, making your garden a place of abundance, a source of fresh, delicious, and nutritious food for you and your family. Growing heirlooms connects us to the seasons, reminding us of the natural cycles of growth and renewal. Our food, and where it comes from, is a fundamental part of our lives. And to generations of gardeners before us, who carefully cultivated and preserved these precious varieties. By choosing these seeds, you're not just planting vegetables, you're preserving flavors and stories, keeping alive the legacy of these remarkable plants that might otherwise be lost to time, fading away with each passing season. So, let's get started on this rewarding adventure. And together, we'll make your northern garden thrive, creating a beautiful and bountiful space that you can enjoy for years to come. What is an heirloom seed? Simply put, it's a plant variety passed down for generations, open-pollinated, true to type, and rich in history. Unlike hybrids bred for supermarkets, heirlooms are chosen for taste, resilience, and adaptability. Each variety was saved for a reason: flavor, early ripening, or resistance to local pests. When you plant an heirloom, you're growing a living piece of history and becoming a steward of that variety. Saving seeds year after year lets you adapt plants to your own patch of the north. Many heirlooms come from regions with short, tough seasons, perfect for northern gardens. Their genetic memory helps them thrive where others struggle. By choosing these seeds, you're working with nature, not against it. Heirlooms are your best allies for a resilient, flavorful garden. Let's pick some northern champions. Siberian tomato thrives in cool, short seasons, producing flavorful fruit even when summer is brief. Paris market carrots are small, round, and quick to mature, ideal for rocky or heavy soils. Black seed Simpson lettuce is fast-growing, cold-tolerant, and perfect for early spring salads. Provider bush beans germinate in cool soil and deliver a steady harvest before autumn frost. These varieties are productive, forgiving, and packed with history. Choose early, cold-hardy, or quick-maturing types for the best results up north. With these heirlooms, your garden will be abundant and full of flavor. Let's grow a little history together. Great seeds need great soil. The quality of your soil is just as crucial as the quality of the seeds you choose. Think of it as the foundation upon which your entire garden will be built. In the north, soils can be heavy, rocky, or acidic. These conditions can present challenges for many plants, hindering their growth and nutrient absorption. So add organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve fertility and drainage. This enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients and creating a better environment for root development. Siberian tomatoes, known for their cold tolerance, still need rich soil and full sun to thrive and produce a delicious harvest. Find your sunniest, most sheltered spot. A location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight is ideal for most vegetables. Paris market carrots, with their small round shape, prefer loose, stone-free soil. This allows them to develop properly without obstruction. Use raised beds or containers if needed. This is especially helpful if your native soil is compacted or poorly drained. Lettuce likes consistent moisture and can handle some shade, making it a versatile crop for various garden locations. Beans need well-drained soil. Waterlogged conditions can lead to root rot and other problems. Plant on mounds or raised rows if your ground is heavy. This improves drainage and allows the soil to warm up more quickly in the spring. Compost helps all crops, providing a slow-release source of nutrients and improving soil structure, but especially tomatoes and lettuce. These plants are heavy feeders and benefit greatly from the added nutrients and improved soil conditions that compost provides. Assess your site, amend your soil. Understanding your garden's unique characteristics is the first step towards success. And set your plants up for success. By taking the time to prepare your soil and choose the right location, you'll give your plants the best possible start. Good preparation is the secret to a bountiful northern harvest. It's the foundation for a season filled with fresh, homegrown vegetables. Take the time now, and your garden will thank you all season long. You'll be rewarded with healthier plants, higher yields, and a more enjoyable gardening experience. Let's build the foundation for a thriving plot, a place where your vegetables can flourish and provide you with a season of delicious rewards. Timing is absolutely everything when you're gardening in the north. The window of opportunity can be fleeting, and understanding the nuances of your local climate is crucial for success. Don't just rely on the calendar, watch the weather patterns closely. Pay attention to long-range forecasts and be prepared for unexpected cold snaps. A reliable weather app and an outdoor thermometer are your best friends. Start Siberian tomatoes indoors. These varieties are specifically bred to thrive in cooler climates and shorter growing seasons. Begin sowing your tomato seeds approximately 6-8 weeks before your last expected frost date. This head start gives them ample time to develop into strong seedlings. Provide your seedlings with plenty of light. A sunny windowsill is a good start, but for optimal growth, consider using grow lights. Supplemental lighting ensures consistent and robust development, especially during cloudy days. You can also directly sow cold hardy crops like black-seed Simpson lettuce and Paris market carrots directly into the garden. Do this directly as soon as the soil crumbles easily in your hand, indicating it's workable and not too wet. To maximize your harvest throughout the season, practice succession sowing. Instead of planting everything at once, plant a small amount every 2 weeks. Wait for the soil to warm up sufficiently before planting provider beans. Aim for a soil temperature of about 15 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit. A good indicator is when oak leaves are just emerging and are about mouse ear sized. When planting, ensure the beans are about 1 inch deep and spaced a few inches apart to allow for adequate growth. This planting depth and spacing promotes quick and reliable growth, giving your beans the best possible start. Before transplanting your indoor seedlings, remember to harden them off. Do this by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions, starting with just a few hours of partial shade over the course of a week. This process toughens them up, making them more resilient to the elements and ensuring a smooth transition to their permanent home in the garden. Smart timing, careful soil preparation, and gentle acclimation are key to cultivating strong, healthy plants that will thrive even in challenging northern climates. Once planted, your job is to protect and nurture. Watch for late frosts. Cover tender plants at night and uncover in the morning. Water deeply but not too often. Check soil moisture with your finger. Water at the base, not the leaves, to prevent disease. Weed regularly. Small weeds are easier to manage and won't compete with your crops. Mulch with straw or leaves to suppress weeds and retain moisture. Support tomatoes with stakes or cages. Beans need little support. Check plants daily for pests or disease. Early action is best. A daily stroll through your garden is both practical and rewarding. With care and attention, your northern garden will flourish. Stay vigilant and enjoy the process. That's your roadmap to heirloom gardening in the north. We've covered seeds, soil, planting and care, but your journey is just beginning. Every season brings new lessons and discoveries. Share your experiences and favorite varieties in the comments. Let's grow this community together. Ask questions, offer tips, and celebrate your successes. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more northern gardening adventures. There's always more to learn and share. Until next time, happy gardening.